Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install OpenJDK. So just open a browser and search OpenJDK. Then you can get this openlogic.com. Just click on it here. Scroll down. Then you will get the Java version here. You can select Java version, what you want to download, which version you want to download, and then operating system. You can select it. Mac OS or Windows or Linux, and then architecture you need to select it like 32-bit or 64-bit, JDK or JRE. I'm selecting it for JDK, and then you can click on it, this .zip file. If you click on it, it will download. Just click on it, save. I have already downloaded. And just unzip it, rename this to OpenJDK 21. Go inside, all the files are here. Just copy the OpenJDK folder here and paste inside Java. Go to C drive, program files, inside Java you can paste it, and then go inside OpenJDK 21.06. just copy the path and open the system environment variable window. That just type search here, you will get the window here. Click on environment variable. In the system variables, just click on it, new, then just write Java underscore on, then paste the path what you have copied, then click on OK. Then click on the path here, and then click on edit, click on new, and then Java underscore percentile plus on OK, okay, then OK. Now open a command window. Search Java hyphen some. Then you can check Java C hyphen. That's it for this video.